Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can add this UI to our shooter character. So when we shoot, the amount of bullets decrease until we run out of bullets. So you can even hear the dry fire until we reload. So let's go. First of all, we will use the shooter character from the last tutorial. Of course, link is in the description. So let's open him up, where we have the begin play event, and we add this crosshair widget. So let's click on this browse here. There we have it. Let's create a new one, user interface, widget, user widget, and let's call this shooter, for example, and open this up. This gets a canvas panel and an image. Let's put this image right in the middle, and then we add the crosshair right here to the brush. Great. Now we add another image. Let's put this in the right down corner here. I'd recommend this position and this size here. Then we go back to our level. We go to our variant shooter UI, and here we have the bullet counter material. Right click, create material instance, and just enter. And when you open this up, we have the bullet count and the bullet max. We check this. Then we go back to our widget and put it right here. As you can see, we have already the bullets here. When we go back to our instance, we can even change this to 12 by default. And now you can see we have a full ammo pack. Let's rename this to ammo and go to the graph. We can delete everything inside here and add a custom event, which is called set bullets. We take out the ammo here. Then we want to get a dynamic material. And then we want to set the scalar parameter value. We copy and paste this back here and connect it. Also, let's select the custom event again and add an input. This will be the bullets as some float. And we connect the bullets with the value here. Very important to call this bullet max and this bullet count. Very important to get the spelling because it is right here of the scalar parameter. Then we need another custom event called decrease bullet. Also we add an input here for the bullets as well as a float. And again we take out the ammo, copy and paste this part here with the bullet count and connect everything. So we are done here. Compile and save this. We can close everything and go back to our shooter character. Inside here we can delete this part and everything else. And instead of the crosshair, we add our shooter widget here. We say promote to variable. And let's just call this widget. And add this to the viewport. Next, we will delete the original widget, so the crosshair widget. And when we compile this, we need to fix a few things. So we can delete everything that is related to it, like that. And we can also delete the line trace and projectile function down here. I need to connect everything again up here for the fire rate, like that. And we can also delete the display text function down here. Then we open up the details and go for the line trace mode. Uncheck this one. Then we open up the choose weapon type, the trigger tag, right here to the trigger tag variable, compile and save this. Next, we need two more variables called current bullets, as well as the bullets itself. We will set both of these to 12. Then we go to our fire fx event. We can delete this part here and put this more in front here. Then we take out the current bullets, check if it's equal to 0 with the branch. Very important not to use the triggered, we use the started for the branch. On false, we continue with the montage. On true, we say play sound 2D. We go back to our level, go to our audio, sounds, weapons, rifle, and we select the dry fire and put it right here. At the end of the function, we want to decrease the bullets, so we take out our widget and just call the decrease bullet function. We take out the current bullets, say minus minus to decrease it, and then connect everything. Done. Last part is we go to our reload function. We want to set the current bullets basically to our bullets like that, and then we take out the widget again and want to set the bullets with our set bullet function like that. Compile and save this. Let's go back to our level and hit play. You can see we need to fix the gallery level as well if you use it. So basically we delete everything back here as well, like that. And that's it. Let's see if this works. We hit play. We have our widget here. When we fire a bullet, hit decrease until we run out. You can hear the dry fire sound. And then we reload and we have bullets again. Great. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know, and yeah, goodbye.